Chaitanya Dani, and today what we're going to be doing is animation. I'm going to attempt to animate something in 3 minutes, a small story. So first, the tool we're going to be using is called Brush Ninja. I actually have been searching for a tool like this for a long time now, around 1 month, and I think I finally found it. Okay. Now let's type in Brush Ninja, and I'm just gonna click this. This is one of my past animations when I decided to test this out. And yeah, so this is based on frames, just like, so yeah, and if anybody didn't know animation is based on frames, and when you put it together, it becomes a video. So it's kind of like stop motion. If you saw one of my past videos, you can see I just move the car a little bit and then take a picture. And when you get enough frames and put it together, it makes a good animation. Now, let's start a new one. And let's make it simple. I want to do where two dots collide at the center, and then dots keep moving here, and make the colors change. I think I can show that when I'm planning much better in the actual animation. Okay, let's start. So here and here, I'm going to add a new frame. Oh, before I do that, I also need to put onion skin. So now we can tell where it was last. Okay. So now I want to go kind of like this. And kind of like this again. So I want it to come all the way. Missed one. And we keep going. Oops. Now let's put this one right here. And here we go. In. And in. And then here it collides. And then it just becomes, and then it becomes, let's figure out what our first color should be, a yellow dot. Yeah, that works. This is a yellow dot. Now, then this yellow dot stays right here. And then there's another black dot coming like this. And coming again faster. And faster. Now that it touches this yellow dot, the yellow dot becomes a green dot. I guess, let's see how that turned out. Okay. So it all happened so fast. Well, yeah, in animation, everything happens much more faster unless you have much more frames. So I think I may need to duplicate a few frames, but we'll leave it fast for the sake of time. Now, let's keep this green and let's add a new black one coming from a random direction. Add our green dot and our black. And now it'll come closer to the green, and then they have a blue dot. And now I don't feel like we have any more colors that I can use, so we're gonna wrap this up by doing a different thing. I'm gonna have tons of black dots coming in. So now I need to animate each one. Okay. Let's make these go super fast. And then, yeah. So now it goes just like this. Okay, I think that works. Now, here is the blue dot. And then everything explodes. Let's make that. So I'm gonna have kind of like an explosion right here. I think I need a bigger brush. Okay, I think that this works a little bit better now. I don't think that I want this coloring to be like this, but yeah, okay, so I guess this works, right? Okay, and then the inside should be like very reddish orange. And it's gonna be like this, and like this. Okay, I think this sort of works for me. Now, after we do this explosion, we let it die down a little bit. And we'll do that by this. And we'll move it right here. And yeah, so now the explosion has died down just a little bit. Okay. And then we have practically almost no explosion left. Like right here. And now it's completely gone. And then I'll just leave a black dot that they began with. Okay? And it'll just fall to the ground. That's how I want to end this. Or maybe it becomes ash. I guess that could be a good thing. And then it becomes like this. Okay. And it moves back down. And it's just a regular ball. I'll just make a little bit of a tiny bounce. But now it's normal. Okay. I think that works. Okay, now I also wanted to add that maybe we may need a few extra frames at the ending part right here so that we can really make it just like it's died down completely. It's not going to do anything. So let's just have some idle frames here at the end. So one and one more. Okay, that works. Okay, I guess this went a little bit in, so yeah, this works. And because it's hand drawn, I think that is the reason on why like I can't at least draw perfectly exactly where it was, so it looks like it's moving a little bit. That's just a little bit weird, but I guess it's good. Now we have some idle frames. I could have done this with Brush Ninja and just duplicated the frames, but the reason I don't want to do it is because it's still slightly moving and I want to keep that. Okay. Yep, so this is our final thing. This actually Brush Ninja does it for GIFs, animated GIF creator. So let me see this again. I guess I approve of it. Now export, and let's click export. So I just click this button right here, and you'll wait, and you click save. I guess after you do this, there's kind of no way to exit this that I've seen. Oh, there it is. I finally found the X. Okay, now this is a GIF that it created. So what this GIF is just a GIF of our animation. So let's open it. Okay. Okay, I think it opened. Yep, it opened it. So let's go full screen. And yeah, there it is. Okay, so that pretty much wraps things up for today. We created a little squiggly animation that I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do with. And until next time, bye. That's how you make an animation with Brush Ninja. I like this thing right here. Bye. Oops, I forgot to tell you to comment and subscribe. Now, bye.